Hi handyman, my toilet is leaking. Can you help me?
Where leak? Shower head leak? There's 3 common leaking areas. 1. The shower head leak. Spoil, change. 2. The joints. Inside must have a rubber O-ring, rubber gasket. Spoil, break, leak. 3. The hose have hole, it leaks. It might have illusion that water leak from the hose, but it's actually from here leak down. Let me show you how to get it changed. Just hand twist out. Okay. The hose must have a rubber gasket. Must have a rubber in it. Okay? The other side also have. Turn it back in. Hand tight. Another side. Turn in. Hand tight. Okay, test. Of it. Ta-da!